Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta. For this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up bad eyebrows. If you did your eyebrows and it didn't come out right, but you don't have time to take them off and do them again, just do this technique I show you. I mean, I have a few videos showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, but I don't really show you like step by step when I'm cleaning it. And I was actually filming another video right now, but my eyebrows did not come out right. As you can see, it's this one over here. I used the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil, which I haven't used in a long time. I remember loving it, but for some reason it was not working today. And I was thinking, we all have the brows different shapes, different lengths, different form, just everything. So I'm going to show you how to fix them if they came out wrong. And it doesn't matter whether you used a pencil, a powder, a pomade, or anything. You can use this technique and it's gonna look nice. Like this one over here, I already cleaned it. You might not like the form, how dark it is, or I don't know. You might not like it, but that doesn't matter because no matter how you do it, you can just use this technique to clean them up and they'll come out nicer. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you want. Okay, I do want to mention, I don't like to do my foundation first and then my eyebrows because I always clean up my eyebrows. When I clean them up from the top and I already have the foundation, it removes the foundation and you can just tell, and it doesn't look good. So I suggest you do your eyebrows first and then your foundation. I will be showing you what I'm going to be using and also what other products I recommend, just in case you don't have the products that I'm using, and also so you can have options. What I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro.Concealer. I'm using the shade Creamy Beige. I love the consistency of this product. It's not too thick. The other one I recommend is the Vitalist concealer from Covergirl, and you do want to use a shade that's your skin tone or just a little bit lighter. You just do not want to go darker. The brush that I like to use is the Real Techniques Detailer brush. I believe this comes in the set of 3 different brushes. Another one I like to use for that one is this one from Anastasia, number 18. You can really use almost any flat brush, except flat brushes like this one right here. This one's just too big, like too fluffy. So for me, these kind of brushes do not work. So you see how not so good it looks? And then bam! This one looks so good. So I'm going to squeeze some of the concealer out and I'm going to get the brush. The reason why I really love this brush is you can see how thin it is at the very tip. And to me, that is very important. It just makes it a lot easier to really get that eyebrow nice and straight. So I'm going to get some of the concealer right on the very tip of the brush, and you can see I don't start with a lot. You don't want that because that might mess everything up. Remember, you don't have to follow the shape of my eyebrows like exactly how I'm doing it, because like I said, we all have our eyebrows different. Just as long as the line is straight from the beginning all the way to where the arch starts, because you don't want the front part of your eyebrow to be bigger than the rest of your brow. And here's the first step done, and it's looking a little better now. So now I'm going to clean the top because it also makes a big difference when the top is clean. And also the tail isn't that like sharp compared to this one over here. I need to get more concealer, but instead of getting it right on the tip, I like to have the brush like this instead of like that, like using the tip. So I'm going to get some of the concealer and put it on the back of my hand and try to have it like right where the edge of the brush is going to be touching the top of my eyebrow. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just depending on how you use your brush. If you're going to be doing it like this, then you obviously want the concealer just to be on the very tip. And again, you want to start with a little bit. So I made a little mistake right here. You can see how right here it's a little bit thicker than all of this. So I'm going to flatten up the brush again. I'm not going to get more concealer because I don't need any more. And just start from that area and try to like erase that pretty much so we won't have that thickness right there. It's just like little things that bother me. You might not be able to notice, but I notice it. So that's just the way to clean it. If you applied too much product on this part right here, what you can do is take the brush, the spoolie, and just start brushing up this way. And that's going to take a little bit of the product off, but if it's still too much, what you can do is take your sponge and just go over the eyebrow like this, just from that part. I like it like this, but I'm just letting you guys know if that's a mistake you did. Last but not least, to keep the eyebrows in place, I'm going to use a clear brow gel. This one's from Anastasia. e.l.f. Cosmetics has a really good one too. That's a brow and lash gel, I think. I like to brush these right here up and the rest to the side. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. All of this might seem hard, but it's really not that hard, and if you're a beginner, just keep practicing. I did have to practice to get it just the way I want them. So keep practicing, you'll get the hang of it and it'll get easier. If you're new to my channel, let me know in the comments where you're from, and don't forget to leave me a like. I will appreciate that so much. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!